Welcome to the GESDA Summit interview series. With us, Lee Howell, Executive Director of the Villard Institute, Professor at the University of Geneva. So can you tell us a little bit first, what is the Villard Institute and how are you connected to GESDA?
Well, thanks for the question. The Villard Institute focuses on how do we accelerate the transition to a net zero and a nature positive economy. And to do that, and this is how we're connected to GESDA, we think these challenges are interdisciplinary, the problems are interdisciplinary, but the solutions have to be intergenerational. So you have to engage youth in the next generation because we're talking about the future and we have to include the future. So that's how we're really connected to GESDA.
So you have young students who participate in the GESDA Summit, young fellows, I guess you call them. Where do they come from? How do you choose them?
Sure. Well, the first thing is that we identify schools that are interested in systems change and who are trying to actually change the curricula to introduce systems thinking, systems leaders. So when we work with those schools, we ask them to identify who they think are going to be future systems leaders. And it's really often more about EQ than IQ. Are they able to work and collaborate? Because the future is like science diplomacy. You have to be able to get along and work together on things. So that's really the key criteria. And we trust our schools to identify their top talent.
And some of them come from literally all over the world.
All over the world, indeed. And of course, all over Switzerland. It's from this Romandie, but also from Basel and Zurich, but also from the United States, Japan, the United Kingdom, Poland, Costa Rica, Colombia. Yes, so indeed. But the key is to find institutions that really want to improve the state of the world, but also believe in science and the power of science and technology.
Mm-hmm. And it's an optimistic message.
Yes, I think the key thing we share is we want to go from, when it comes to the environment, which we focus on, the planet's health is obviously undermined or under threat. But the key point is, how do we go from a place of eco-anxiety to eco-ambition? And to do that, really you have to give young people a sense of agency that they have a part to play. So it's not about excluding them from the solution, but really embracing their ideas to really implement some of their solutions because we all share the problem.
And it's really nice to have these young people also here at GESDA. Thank you very much for speaking to us today.
Thank you for the opportunity.